Hello everyone, how are you all? We have already discussed 2024, 23 and 22 question paper of grade 12 computer science CBSE. So today we are going to start our new series, and in this we are going to discuss 2021 question paper, right? So let us start with section 1, which is completely based on MCQs question. We have in total 21 questions in this section. Okay, well, if you will compare this paper with the current paper, so the pattern is completely, changed. Now 5 sections are coming. In this we have in total 3 sections, but the question, same type of questions are coming. Okay, so that's the reason actually I have covered this question paper also in the paper discussion series. So question number 1 is, which of the following option is or are not the Python keywords? So are not the Python keyword. Okay. So which all are not the Python keyword? Math is actually is not a Python keyword. You know very well keywords are the special word with their special meaning, right? Like, false is there. So if you have any idea about the Boolean type of values, in case of Boolean type of value, we are getting any of the value in between true or false, right? So this is also a keyword only, false, true or false. Then break is also a keyword which will take you out from the loop body. So we have math is not a keyword, and while is also not a keyword. Okay, so the correct answer is B option and C. Next is, given the dictionary the dictionary, and you know very well dictionary is something which is completely based on what? It is based on key value pair, right? Key value pair. So here you please check, the first is the key, and after the colon it is value. Okay, so in total 2 key values pair are there. One is roll number, the key, and the value is 1. The key is name and the value is Suraj. Write the output of the print, and you have D. D is the name of the dictionary. That is correct only. And along with dictionary you have name, but that is written in normal brackets. Okay, but if you remember, if you know, the dictionary values we can fetch in, values we can fetch with the help of key, and that key value will be written in square brackets. Okay, so if name you want to write, then you can write it, but like this. So actually this is a typo error, so I wrote it typo error also, you can consider. But if you are considering this is actually a key, so with respect to the key the value will be Suraj. Okay, so both of the answers are correct only. So well, actually it is a typo error with respect to this statement, so definitely you are not going to get any of the output. Next is, identify the statements from the following options which will raise type error exceptions. Okay, so well, let us start checking all these options also one by one. So I'm starting with the first one, so please check it. It is written in print statement. We have print, and then it is written 5 multiplied by 3. Okay, so this is not a multiplication or asterisk sign multiplication. This is one, string operator, because you have given with the string value string operator, and that is going to replicate it, replication operator. So it is going to repeat this value 3 number of times. So 3 times it will repeat this value. So what will be the output of this? 5 5 5. So that means this statement is correct only. Now if you will go for the second statement, it is 5 into 3. It is 15 only, the general multiplication. Okay, then we have 5 in single quote plus 3, and 5 in single quote and 3 also in single quote. So please check it, both are strings only. So this is going to concat and you will be getting 53. Okay, so this is also correct. So the incorrect answer is this only. One string you can't add with a number. That is wrong only. Okay, so the correct option for this one is option C. Okay, next is, identify the valid relational operator in Python from the following. Relational operators are also considered as conditional operators in Python, right? This is the second name of the relational operator. So well, less than is the answer. Okay, less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, these all are the relational operator. Okay, next is, for a string s declared as s is equal to Python, which of the following is incorrect? Which of the following is incorrect for string? So well, the first statement itself you check, n is equal to length of s. So we are just finding the length of it, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So for this you will be getting the answer 6, which is correct only because with the help of len you can find the length of the string, which is the number of characters present in it. Then what we are doing, t is equal to s. So we are storing this value into 2, that is also correct. Then t in s. So in is the membership operator. We are checking t is present in s or not. So yes, you will get true. Okay, because t is there in Python. Then s0 is equal to m. This is the property of mutable data type, but string is an immutable data type, right? String is an immutable data type. So this statement is completely wrong, right? So this is the wrong statement, right? Incorrect statement of question number 5. So well, fourth is the less than, and this is the answer. Next is a list is declared as L is equal to 1, 2, 3. So 3 values are there in the list. You can see we have 1, 2, 3, right? What will be the output of the statement? So what are the values? It is given as 1, 2 and okay, 1, 2 and 3. So you have to find max of L. Max of L. L is a list, right? So start checking it. If it is a string, if you have any idea about how can we go for the maximum and the minimum value in case of a string, so you have to check it with alphabetical order, right? So if you will go for A to Z order, it is something M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. So after O, this T is coming, right? Alphabetical order. Okay, alphabetical order, O to T. So that means this is so definitely not an answer, right? Now you have to search from T. So you have 2 also and you have 3 also, right? Actually, this is in capital. So let me also write it in, single case only, because this is going to work with respect to, right, the ASCII values. So T, H, R, double E. Now what we have to check? We have to check T with T. So this is same only. Now W with H, right? So W. So if you will go for alphabetical order, it is first H is coming and then W. So which one is greater? This is, the smaller. The left hand side H is smaller than smallest, and this one is greatest. Okay, so that means 2 is the answer. So the maximum value for this is 2, TWO. 2 is the correct answer, right? Okay, well, I think I missed one question here. 6.1. Write a single line statement in Python to assign the values blue, green and red in a tuple called, colors. Okay, so well, tuple, you should know the property. Tuple is equal to this one, the normal brackets and all the values you can separate with the help of comma. So you have blue here, you have to write blue. Okay, and then you will write green here. And then you will write red here. Okay, now the point is, this is the way to create a tuple, right? The name of the tuple is colors. So you will replace this T with colors, and then the rest of the values are same only. Okay, 7th question also we covered. Now the 8th one. Write the name of the built-in function method of the math module, which when executed upon 5 to 8 as parameters would return the nearest smallest integer 5. Okay, nearest smallest, right? So, the predefined functions are there in, Python also. We have the predefined function. We have ceil and we have floor, right? So now you please check ceil and floor. So ceil is going to give you the highest, integer, right? And this floor will give you the smallest integer, nearest smallest integer. Okay, so well, my requirement is integer. My requirement is smallest. So the answer is floor, right? You can write floor also, or you can write math.floor. Both are correct. Okay. Next is in context to the communication networks. Which of the following is the correct expansion for the abbreviation PAN? Okay, PAN. So you know very well, we have PAN is for personal area network. Personal area network, right? So the correct answer is option number D. Okay, in context of cyber crime and cyber threat, the term. Okay, just a minute. I'm going to increase the size. Yeah, so in context of cyber crimes and cyber theft, the term IPR refers to. So IPR, again, it is just to expand this IPR. So the correct answer is intellectual property rights. Okay, that's the correct answer. Now you will go for the 11th question. In SQL, write the name of the aggregate function which will display the cardinality of a table. So just think about it. We have two terms. Remember, we have two terms. We have cardinality and we have degree. Okay. So how to find it? Aggregate. So this is the count function, right? Count function is going to count it. So you can go for count star also, even count also. You know very well, count star is going to add the null values also, and this one is going to remove, not to consider the null values. Okay. So yes, the correct answer is count star or count. Which of the following clauses in SQL is most appropriate to use? The select matching tuples. in the specific range of values. Okay, in the specific range of values, the matching tuples. So how can you provide a range? Suppose I want to display something in between 10 to 20. Okay, that's the age. So how can I write it 10 to 20? With the help of between clause, between 10 to 20. Okay, between. So between is the correct answer, right? Between is the correct answer for this one. Now you will go for the next one. We have which of the following is not a valid data type in SQL. Okay, which one is not a valid data type? That is a string. A string is not a valid data type in SQL. Okay, which of the following is not a valid DML command in SQL? DML, it is data manipulation language. Okay, these type of questions every year coming, so you have to take it a little seriously. So we have data manipulation language. Data manipulation, that means you are not manipulating the data. That means you are just going to work with respect to the structure of a table. It is not about the manipulation of the data, right? So insert is going to insert a row, right? So it is also manipulating a data. Okay, update is going to update it, you can change the values. So this is also manipulating the values data. Okay, then you have delete. Delete is going to delete the data. It is not going to delete the structure. That is drop command. So delete the data. So all the three are based on data manipulation language. So the correct answer is alter. Alter is the correct answer, right? Which of the following wireless transmission media is best suited for metropolitan area network? That is microwave. Okay, microwave is the direct answer. So next is which of the following is our immutable object type in Python? So we have list, string, tuple, and dictionary. Immutable, they are asking. Mutable will allow you to change the value with respect to a position. So like list is there. So this is called the mutable property if it is possible for you to assign a value with respect to a position. Okay. So in list it is possible. In string it is not possible. In tuple also it's not possible. So these two are immutable data type. Okay, immutable. And dictionary is all again a mutable data type only. In dictionary also you will be able to suppose I am writing here the key, and then you can assign a value here. Anything is fine. Okay, so well, this is correct only. So the correct answer for this is option B and C. What shall be the output of the execution of the following Python code? You have cities here, Delhi, Mumbai, and the condition you can see C01 is replacing with 10. So this is called swapping in Python, which is quite easy. You just, it is possible for you to swap the values with respect to a single statement in Python. So C1 and C0. So this is 0 and 1, right? So C1 is Mumbai and C0 is Delhi, right? So now what to do? So Mumbai we are storing into this, and the second value we are storing into this. Okay. So the answer would be first it will come Mumbai, obviously in a form of a list, and then Delhi. Okay, and in a form of a list. So that is the correct answer. Next is which of the following command in SQL is used to insert a new record? So obviously it is an insert command. Insert into and then table, and then you can write the table name here. Suppose table name is table 1, and then you can write down the values here. Okay. And the same if you are entering all the values, otherwise you can give the column, which particular columns you want to insert. Okay, but well, this is MCQ only, so the correct answer is insert. Which of the following is the correct expansion for DML? DML is data manipulation language, and DDL is data definition language. It is quite easy. DML is data manipulation language. Next is which of the following statement correctly explains the term firewall in context of the computer network society? Okay, so computer network society, a device that protects the computer network from catching the fire? No. A device software that control the incoming and the outgoing network traffic, right? Yes, this is the security purpose only. So you only can select what all from which all systems IP addresses you want to receive the messages and which you don't want. So yes, then which of the following protocols allows the user of HTML on the World Wide Web? HTML, HTML is a markup language to create the web pages. Okay, it is the full form of HTML is hypertext. Okay, this is HTML is hypertext markup language. Okay, markup language. So well, in case of HTML and World Wide Web, which is www, the protocol we are using is HTTP. If you remember, every time whenever we are opening one address, it is starting from here only, HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Okay. So yes, the correct answer is HTTP. So well, we are done with the first section of this 21 question paper, and I hope you understood all the questions, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you are clear with everything. Thank you so much.